In the yesterday session, we discussed about the important medical terminology for the CPC exam. In today's session, I'm continuing with those medical terminology as well as anatomy. First, what is meant by thoracoscopy? Is performed. What is this type of procedure and what is meant by thoracoscope? The thoracoscope is nothing but instrument first during the respiration, the examination of colon and stomach through the endoscope, examination of pleural cavity through the endoscope, or biopsy of lung. Scope. What is meant by scope? It is an examination purpose కోసం pleural cavity is nothing but lungs. The space which are present between the lungs are called pleural cavity. That's the examination. The thoracoscope is nothing but examination of pleural cavity. The examination of what? Pleural cavity through the endoscope. Endoscope ద్వారా examination of pleural cavity చేస్తే that is called as thoracoscope అంటాం. What we call it as thoracoscope. Then utric area. What is meant by utric area? Utric area అంటే ఏంటి అంటే it is nothing but it is also called as hives. The utric area is also called as hives అంటున్నాం. Then which of the following is the Which of the following is the electrical activity of muscles or tissues determining the strength of the muscle for the contraction of muscles stimulated? Electromyogram. What is meant by electromyogram? That is the measuring of electricity of the muscle tissue is called as electromyogram అంటున్నాం. Then followed by next. What done the surgeon perform bilateral oophorectomy? The medical term for the ovaries. The medical term for the ovaries are called oophorio. Oophorio is the medical term for the ovaries. What is meant by ectomy? Ectomy is nothing but surgical removal. తీసివేయటం. The surgical removal of ovaries. Surgical removal of ovaries is called as oophorectomy. Oophorectomy is nothing but removal of both ovaries in the medical terminology. The removal of both the ovaries is called as oophorectomy. Oophorectomy అంటారు. Then the next one, the suffix indicate the procedure, condition, disorder, disease. Algia. What is meant by algia? Algia is nothing but pain. Algia is nothing but pain. Neuralgia. Neuralgia is a suffix. Neuralgia is a suffix which indicates pain. Pain indicates justify. Then we have provided documents. The patient has pruritus. This means pruritus. Pruritus is nothing but localized or generalized itching on the skin. Yeah, that's it for today.